Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find last minute deals on Expedia? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for Expedia. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link that is right over here. And now all you need to do is make sure that you are logged in into your account. And finally, once you've logged into your account, what you want to do is on this shop travel button right beside Expedia's logo right over here, simply go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, it has so many options right over here. So stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, cruises, and right below that is going to be a button called deals. Simply go ahead and click on that, and there you go. As you can see, there are today only 2x 1 key cash rewards for hotels and a lot more other deals right over here. So as you can see, there are last minute deals right like these ones. There are also VIP access stays, there are also winter vacation rentals, and a lot more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.